Hello, and welcome back to one more episode of Quantum Tutorials. In this episode, let us understand about the API versioning concept in Fabric. Using this concept, you will be able to create multiple versions of integration services, orchestration services, and object services. So if there is a scenario where you'll have to create different versions of an integration service having multiple operations inside them, you'll be able to use this feature in that scenario. Without further ado, let us get into the Fabric console and look at how do we create these multiple versions of integration services by using this API versioning concept in Fabric. Here we are in the Fabric console. Let's create a new app and let's create an integration service inside this app. I'm creating an integration service pointing to the Google News feed. If we see here, when we create an integration service, by default the version is showing as 1.0. So this is the 1.0 of the integration service that we are creating. Let us give the base URL. Click on save and add operation. Let us give the name for the operation. I am creating an operation wherein I want to pass the category as the input parameter, such as sports or health or world or politics, like that. And based on the category that we pass as the input parameter, we want to retrieve the news articles of that specific category. Let us pass the input parameter. Let's define this input parameter in the request input parameters. And we'll pass the test value as sports to test this operation. Let us click on save and fetch response to test the operation that we have created. So if we see here, we are passing the category as sports and we are able to get the response for the sports category, all the news articles under the sports category. Let's define the output parameters as well. So currently we did not define any response output parameters. So that's why the output result is just showing the HTTP status code and the op status. So let us define the response output parameters. So we'll also start seeing the output result. I'll use this operation. From the backend response, let us add some of the elements to the output result. I have added channel to the response output. So under the channel, so we have different items under the channel. Each item represents one news article. So we'll define the title of the news article, the unique ID of the news article, published date, and let's also define the description of the news article. So accordingly, we have created this response output parameters here. So now when we test the operation once again, we will be able to see in the output result. So we are getting the results back. Each JSON object representing the article of news of that particular category that we are sending as input. So now this is the 1.0 zero version of the Google News integration service that we have created, which is having one operation inside it. So we can go to the Publish tab, and I want to publish this configuration. I want to publish this Fabric app to a runtime environment. And when I publish it, it simply starts the publish, and it is publishing the Fabric app. The Fabric app is published now. So if we go to the runtime console, under the integration services, we are able to see the Google News integration service and the current version 1.0 that is deployed into the runtime environment. And we can select the one operation which is there inside the 1.0 version of the integration service that is published to the runtime environment. And we will be able to test it from the runtime console as well. I am passing the input parameter as sports, and we will be able to see that we are getting the records, the news articles for the sports category. So here we want to concentrate on the Google News integration service, which is published to the runtime environment. It is the version 1.0 of the Google News integration service. So now let us go back to our Fabric app. Inside the Fabric app, let us go to the integration services, and the Google News integration service that we have defined inside the Fabric app, which is currently having the 1.0 version of the Google News integration service. Let us use that, and we can create a new version of the integration service by going to the versions drop down, and we can click on save as new version. I am giving the version number as 2.0 and a description to identify what is this version that we are creating for. So basically we are going to define one more operation inside this 2.0 version of the Google News integration service, along with the operation that we have already defined earlier. So now if we see under the version drop down, so we have 1.0 version of the Google News integration service, and we also have the 2.0 version of the Google News integration service. So now we are in the 2.0 version of the Google News integration service. I go to the operations list, and I will add one more operation. And let me define the input parameters to this new operation. So this new operation will take the city name as input, and it will give the news of that particular city. So in the 2.0 version of the Google News integration service, along with the previous operation which gives the news articles by category as sports or politics or world like that, we are defining one more operation which takes the input as city name and gives the news articles of that particular city. So let's define the request input parameters. I'm just giving some input for the city name. And let's test this second operation. As we can see here, for the test city name that we have given, we are able to get the news articles. So let us define the output parameters for this second operation as well. So we have defined the response output parameters for the second operation as well. So if we click on test operation once again, we'll be able to see that we are getting the list of news articles for the provided city name. So now the Google News Integration Service, version 2 of the Google News Integration Service is having two operations under it. So if we go to the Publish tab and try to publish this Fabric app that we have created. So I went to the Publish tab, and before clicking on Publish, so inside the Configure Services, in the integration services that we have as part of this Fabric app, so currently the 2.0 version of the Google News Integration Service is being used. So my Fabric app News is using the 2.0 version of the Google News Integration Service, which is having two operations inside it, right? So if you can see, currently it is using the 2.0 version of the integration service. So if we publish this Fabric app, so during the publish, we will publish the 2.0 version of the Google News Integration Service to the runtime environment. So let it get published. We can go to the runtime environment and we will be able to see that the Google News Integration Service, the 2.0 version of it, got published to the runtime environment. So the app got published now. So let's go to the integration services in the runtime console. And if we see here, the Google News Integration Service, the 2.0 version of the Google News Integration Service got published to the runtime environment. And it is having both the operation get news by category and get local news. So this is how we can use a specific version of integration service inside our Fabric app, and when we publish that Fabric app, that specific version of integration service is available in the runtime environment. So any of the client apps can use that specific version of the integration service. So if we go back to the Fabric console, and inside the integration services, so if I change the version from 2.0 to 1.0, so now my Fabric app News is using the 1.0 version of the Google News. So if we look at the operation list, we'll be only seeing the first operation that we have defined as part of this 1.0 version of the Google News. So after selecting the 1.0 version of the Google News Integration Service as part of my Fabric app, if I go to the Publish tab and if I publish this Fabric app, so now my Fabric app is using the Google News 1.0 version of the integration service, and the app is getting published to the runtime environment. Once it is published, so we'll go to the runtime environment and we'll be able to see the 1.0 version of the Google News Integration Service is published to the runtime environment. Let it get published. So the app got published now. If we go to the runtime environment, now we are able to see that the Google News version 1.0 is published to the runtime environment. So because we have selected the integration service Google News version 1.0 as part of our news app, and we published that news app, as part of the news app, the 1.0 version of the Google News Integration Service got published to the runtime environment. And this one is only having one operation inside it. The second operation, which is part of the 2.0 version of the Google News, is not available in the runtime environment now. So this is how you can create versionings to your integration services, orchestration services, or object services, and you can define which version of the integration service you want to use as part of your Fabric app. And when we publish that Fabric app, that specific versions of your integration services or orchestration services or object services will be available at the runtime. So this is how you can use the API versioning feature of Fabric.